Welcome everybody. As mission director of this VV15 launch campaign, my role is to coordinate the satellite operation with the launch base and the launcher activities. This Vega launch will put in orbit the FalconEye1 satellite jointly manufactured by Airbus and Thales France for the United Arab Emirates.
The Vega VV15 launcher integration campaign once again demonstrates the Avio team's effort to optimize activities and reduce launch costs. For the first time in the Vega campaign, the satellite inside the fairing was integrated on the launcher filled with the liquid propellants. This modification has been studied to reduce the duration of the presence of the satellite in the APCU and to optimize the fluid resources for the filling and at the same time the resources for the upper part and the fairing. Activities began on the May the 13th with the transport of the first stage of the launcher from its production area directly to the ILA-1 launch site. The launcher stage directly on the launch table is transported vertically on a track to the launch area. Launcher and campaign integration activities were resumed on May the 20th. The second stage of the launcher, with the Zefiro 23 engine of about 23 tons of solid propellant, and the third stage of the launcher with the motor Zefiro 9 of about 10 tons of solid propellant, are manufactured in Italy in the Avio facilities of Colleferro. The stages are then transported to the launch area and integrated on the previous stage to complete the launcher. The fourth stage of the Vega launcher with the Avum engine has a liquid propulsion with the storable propellants. He was integrated on the launcher on June the 3rd, completing the launcher's integration after 12 campaign days. Over the next 2 weeks, launcher acceptance tests were completed.
FalconEye1 arrived in French Guiana at Cayenne Félix-Éboué Airport with an Antonov plane the 1st of June. The satellite was transferred by road from Cayenne to Kourou until the Guiana Space Center, then it was installed in the S1A high bay. During this preparation phase, Airbus, Thales and Astrotech teams performed mechanical, pneumatic and electrical checkout of the satellite. FalconEye1 was transferred to S3B filling area the 19th of June. Hydrazing filling of the satellite was performed by Astrotech on 22nd of June. The combined operation between the satellite and the launcher started the 25th of June by the mating of FalconEye1 with the flight adapter in S3B. The day after, FalconEye1 was encapsulated by the fairing. This assembly, composed by the satellite mated on the adapter and encapsulated by the fairing, is called the pack. The pack, with FalconEye1 inside, was transferred to the Vega launch pad and hoisted inside the mobile gantry on 28th of June. Then, was integrated onto the Vega launcher on 29th of June. FalconEye1 took part with the launcher on the launch base in the general dress rehearsal on D-2. FalconEye1 is in the top of the Vega launcher and stay ready for the launch.